fx equals to 2x divided with x minus y. So for f sub x, we're going to use quotient rules. vu prime minus uv prime divided by v squared, because we have x terms in both numerator and denominator. So for v is x minus y, and u prime is going to differentiate 2x with respect to x is 2. So I'm going to write 2 in the front, minus u, which is 2x, and differentiate x minus y with respect to x is 1, because differentiate x with respect to x is 1. Differentiate negative y with respect to x is 0, because negative y is a constant. Divide with x minus y square. So if we expand and simplify, 2 times x minus 2x is 0. 2 times negative y is negative 2y divided with x minus y square. So now let's find for f sub y. For f sub y, we're not going to use quotient rules. You may use quotient rule if you want, but I'm going to use general power rules. Why? Because 2x is a constant, and we only have y terms in denominator. So to differentiate using general power rules, I'm going to change the form a bit into 2x times x minus y to the power of negative 1. So the 2x is a constant. Then if we're using the general power rules, we're going to bring the negative 1 to the front. So it's going to be negative 2x. Copy down x minus y, the power minus 1, which is negative 2. Differentiate x minus y with respect to y is differentiate x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate negative y with respect to y is negative 1. So we're going to get 2x divided with x minus y square. That's it.